Hello students, let us start with the new topic set. In set you will see three types of brackets. One is this curly bracket, other one is this round bracket and third one is this square bracket. Okay, so सबका different मतलब है. So first is discrete set. Discrete set is denoted by this curly bracket. इसका definition is whatever elements are written within this curly bracket, only those elements are included. Those elements are there in that set. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम लोग को एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने को दिया, so we'll factorize that quadratic equation and let us say we are getting roots as 2 and 3. So at the end in solution set we write curly bracket 2 comma 3 and then we'll close that curly bracket. उधर हम लोग क्लोज ब्रैकेट 2 कॉमा 3 नहीं लिख सकते, उधर हम लोग स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट 2 कॉमा 3 नहीं लिख सकते, बिकॉज curly bracket 2 comma 3 means only those two values are there in that set, so only those two values are considered as a root of that quadratic equation. So कभी भी set में curly bracket आया and inside that curly bracket whatever numbers are written, only those numbers are the members of that set, correct? So one is discrete set and another one is continuous set. नाउ कंटिन्यूअस सेट को हम लोग राउंड ब्रैकेट से भी डिनोट कर सकते हैं, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट से भी डिनोट कर सकते हैं, बट मीनिंग दोनों का डिफरेंट है. दिस इज कॉल्ड ओपन ब्रैकेट एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड क्लोज्ड ब्रैकेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, इफ आई से curly bracket 1, 2 and 5, let us name this set as A. So if someone will ask you that how many elements are there in set A, so first of all देखने का, curly bracket means discrete set, so only 3 elements are there in that set, 1, 2 and 5, that's it. Now continuous set में if I write like this, closed A to closed B, what does it mean? It means all the elements between A and B are present in that set and A and B are also present. Now closed means those elements, border elements are also present in that set. अगर मैं लिखूँ for example open A comma B, सो इसका मतलब होता है ऑल द एलिमेंट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट बिटवीन ए एंड बी आर देयर इन दैट सेट, दैट्स इट. तभी नो नीड टू से ए नहीं है बी नहीं है, बिकॉज मैंने बोला ऑल द नंबर्स आर देयर बिटवीन ए एंड बी आर प्रेजेंट इन दैट सेट. सो जब इंक्लूड ही नहीं किया है तो एक्सक्लूड करने का तो सवाल ही नहीं है. सो अगर मैं बोलूंगा ऑल द नंबर्स बिटवीन ए एंड बी आर प्रेजेंट, तो दैट इज इनफ. नो नीड टू से कि ए भी नहीं है बी भी नहीं है. इफ आई राइट लाइक दिस, क्लोज्ड ए टू ओपन बी, इट मीन्स all the numbers or all the elements between A and B are present. Now here I need to say and A is also present, correct? Similarly, if I write like this, open A to closed B, so it means all the elements between A and B are present एंड नाउ इन दिस टाइम बी के पास में हम लोगों ने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, इट मीन्स क्लोज ब्रैकेट लगाया, सो आई नीड टू से एंड बी इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट, करेक्ट? लेट अस टेक सम एग्जाम्पल. इफ आई से फर्स्ट वन closed 2 to closed 5, second one let us name this set as A. If I say B set open 2 to open 5, third one C set closed 2 to open 5, fourth one D set open 2 to closed 5, and the last one E set, which is discrete 2 and 5. And if I want to represent on a number line, so मैं एक number line draw करूँगा in which now this is 2 and this is 5, correct? Now first, if I want to represent set A on a number line, so closed 2 to closed 5, now all the numbers, according to definition, all the numbers are present between 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 के तो हर एक बीच के हर एक नंबर प्रेजेंट है. Now since there is a closed bracket, so 2 is also present, वो दिखाने के लिए dark dot करने का, and 5 is also present dark dot. This is nothing but our set A. Now the second one, if I want to represent set B, so now open 2 to open 5, it means all the numbers are present between 2 and 5, and 2 तो प्रेजेंट नहीं है, 5 भी प्रेजेंट नहीं है. सो 2 एंड 5 तो हो गया. नाउ 2 प्रेजेंट नहीं है वो दिखाने के लिए एम्प्टी डॉट आना चाहिए. इट इंडिकेट्स दैट 2 भी नहीं है, 5 भी नहीं है. दिस इज आवर सेट बी. नाउ थर्ड वन, if I want to represent this set C on the number line, so closed 2 to open 5. now closed 2 मतलब 2 के पास dark dot, to open 5 मतलब 5 के पास ये empty circle. so this is our set C. अगर मैं बोलूँगा open 2 to close 5, so this is open 2 to closed 5. close 5 मतलब dark dot, and between the numbers are also present, so join them with a straight line. now set E, this is my set E. E बराबर से दिख नहीं रहा, बराबर से कर देते. this is my set E. now what is given? discrete set 2 and 5. now again and again I am saying curly bracket is nothing but discrete set. discrete set का definition is the numbers or elements or members which are present in that set, only those elements we have to consider. so only 2 and 5, so 2 के पास dark dot, 5 के पास dark dot, that's it. this is our set E, and ये तो D था, correct? so क्या देखा हम लोगों ने अभी तक? there are total 2 types of sets, discrete set and continuous set. discrete sets are always denoted by that curly bracket. it means the elements which are present in that set, only those elements are present, और कोई भी present नहीं है. second is continuous set, which is also called as interval. so closed interval भी हो सकता है, open भी interval हो सकता है, semi closed हो सकता है, semi open हो सकता है, correct? now open interval means round bracket, closed interval means square bracket, correct? so if I say closed A to closed B, it means all the numbers which are present between A and B are there in that set. even A is also there, B is also there, correct? if I say open A to B, it means all the numbers between A and B are present, that's it. तभी ऐसा बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है कि A भी नहीं है, B भी नहीं है, correct? बिकॉज मैंने पहले ही बता दिया कि if I am saying all the numbers are present between A and B में A B तो वैसे भी नहीं आता है. then closed A to open B, so all the numbers are there between A and B, and A is also there. open A to closed B, all the members or elements are there between A and B are present in that set, and now B is also present. okay, so this was our first point. आगे का विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अगर नहीं समझाए तो वापस से रिपीट देखो एंड बाय हार्ट करते जाओ.